Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends on MyDoge wallet. Keep watching the video till the end. To invite friends on MyDoge wallet, firstly open up your MyDoge application. The home page of MyDoge wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the page and tap on profile option. You will end up in your MyDoge wallet's profile section. Now to invite your friends on MyDoge, you will need to share your MyDoge profile link by tapping on share profile button. You can share the link through any social media and invite your friends just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.